everybody. Today we are going to start our new topic that is called transposing tune up or down an octave. So what we have to do, just go through this, read this. If a piece of music is written too high or low for an instrument to play or for a voice to sing, it is sometimes necessary to move it to a more comfortable register. In a simple language, that you have to transpose, either you have to move up or down an octave according to the singers, because we have different voices, and the instruments, because they also come under different staves. Okay, so there are few notes they have given which you should check while you're transposing your tunes. So just go through all these things. Yes, we'll straight away go to the uh, questionnaires. Okay, let's go to the first question. So you can see the first one here: transpose the following tunes down an octave into the bass clef to make them suitable for a cello or bassoon to play. Okay, so let's go. So first we have to make the clef. Let's make the clef here. Okay, now let's check the time signature, key signature. So you can see the key signature. So you have to go make the key signature, then the time signature, and then we'll start with our notation. So see, this is B. So if you come one octave down, it should come here. Yep. Then next we have F. So we come one octave down. This is our F. Then this is D. So you come to D here. Just one octave. Then this is F again. And here. This one is B again. So let's go to B. Then we have, this is D. So D we have to make above the ledger line. D. Okay, place it here. Then we have to this one is F. So let's make, we have to make a ledger line, one more ledger line, and make an F here and come down. The last we finish with the crochet rest. Now you must be thinking why it is here, because see, if you come one octave down from here, one octave down comes here, the first space. So for first space we don't have we have to make a ledger line over here, so that is why. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Next one, you can see, let's make the clef first, then we're gonna make key signature, then we go to the time signature. Let's start. This is G, G, G. So you're gonna make, if you come down, this is G here. Let's create here, one octave down, G, 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 then one note up. This is A. So let's here and here. Okay, then let's make a bar line. Then this is again G, G, and this is D. So you're gonna make D here. Okay, you can go down, up, anywhere. Let's make a bar line. Then we're gonna start over here with E. So if you come to this E, will be here, E, then D, then E again, and then we make F. Bar line. This is G and G. Close bar line. Okay, so let's move to the next page. Now this is the next page. Let's go again, make a bass clef, key signature, time signature. Let's start. This is B, so we're gonna make B here. Then this is A, bar line. Let's get here. Then we have here G, let's make G, then F, again G, sorry, this would be G, and then A. Okay, now let's here. Now next, this is G, then D, then this is B and C. So this one is far. Okay, next this is D, this is E, then again D, then B, and then we finish with D. So this will go up, this can come down. Okay, yes, now let's move to the next one. Now we have transposed from bass to the treble clef. Okay, so let's start from here. Transposing twin, octave, treble to into the treble clef to make the suitable for a violin or flute to play. Yes, let's do the next one. So let's make the clef first, then we're gonna make the key signature, then the time signature. Let's make the notes. This is our A, so let's make A, bar line. This is B, so if you're moving up, we're gonna make B here. Okay, this is our B, so this B will come here, bar line. This is our C, so let's make this C here. Then we have G, so let's make G here, time, bar line. Then you can see this is F, so let's make F, then E, F, G, and A. So here we made a mistake, the G is here. This is G and then A, bar line, and we make B. So B is here. Okay, let's make the stems going up. It's going up. This is B. This can come down. This is going up. This is going up. This we make up here. And stems. Okay, and here we finish this one. Hello everyone. After reviewing this chapter, I got these two mistakes where I've put it wrong notes over here. Okay, sorry for this mistake. I'll correct it again. So this is the only thing we're supposed to do it. Yep, everything else is fine. Now the next one. Let's make the treble clef first. Then we're gonna make key signature, time signature. Let's make the nose. This is our D. So let's make D here. This is this D, so we're gonna make here. Next is C. Let's make a bar line. This is our B. So let's make 4 P's. Bar line. This again B. Again B. Then this is our C. So we have 4 C's. Bar line and finish with the C again. Okay, and here we finish our this question. Let's move on to the next one. Let's make the treble clef first. Then we have key signature. Then the time signature. And let's make the note. This is B. So this is D. So we have D here. Bar line. Then this is F and G. So this is F and G. Then we have A. Then we have G again. Bar line. Then we have F. We have E. Then we have D. Then E. Bar line. Then we have F. So this one is E. So this E here. Then F. Then A. Then we have D. D again. Bar line. Then C. This is C. Then we have F. This is A, sorry. And A together. So let's make going up. This is deleted. Sorry. This one will come down, down. This one can go either side. Let's go up and up. Okay. Now the last one we have. This is the last one. So let's make the clef first. Then there's no key signature. Time signature is common. Start with the crotchet. Rest. Then this is our E. So let's. It is this E. So we're gonna go to E here. then again E, come one down, D, then C, then B, C, and D, C, and D, bar line, then we have C, B, A, G, A, B, A, and E, and then F, bar line, then we have F, and going down, this is C, this is E, so we go E here. Okay, start these notes. This is sharp. Let's make this go down. This one's going down as well. Rest this stop. So here we finish our this topic. I hope this will help you. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section, and I will see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.